Welcome back to Brew Fix, where we keep your coffee machines running and your mornings caffeinated. Today, we're going deep. I'm doing a full strip down and rebuild of a coffee machine, so you can see exactly what's inside, what each component does, and how technicians bring dead machines back to life. Whether you're a home barista or an aspiring repair tech, this step-by-step teardown will give you the kind of inside look you can't find anywhere else. Before we start, here's the machine we're rebuilding today. It's suffering from slow heating, weak pressure, and leaking around the group head. Classic signs of machine overdue for a complete teardown. A rebuild gives us a chance to replace seals, clean internal components, remove limescale buildup, and restore full performance from the inside out. Before we start, here's the machine we're rebuilding today. It's suffering from slow heating, weak pressure, and leaking around the group head. Classic signs of a machine overdue for a complete teardown. A rebuild gives us a chance to replace seals, clean internal components, remove limescale buildup, and restore full performance from the inside out. The first step is removing the outer shell so we can access the internal parts. Carefully remove the back panel, top cover, and side panels without forcing them. Manufacturers often hide screws in tricky places. Keep every screw labeled to avoid guessing during reassembly. Once the panels are off, you'll see the boiler, pump, wiring, water tank connections, and frame layout. Next, we disconnect electrical connections, starting with the power switch, heating element terminals, thermostat, and temperature sensors. Each connector must be unplugged carefully to avoid damaging fragile spade terminals. I always recommend taking photos before removing anything. It's a simple trick that saves hours during the rebuild. Now we take out the pump, boiler, and associated plumbing. Most machines use a vibration pump, secured with rubber mounts and connected by silicone hoses. The boiler is usually held by 2 to 4 screws and has sensors threaded into it. Remove everything slowly to avoid bending copper pipes or cracking fittings. This step exposes most of the scale and where issues you can't see from the outside. Here's where the transformation happens. With the boiler and pipes removed, we decale them thoroughly using a safe, food-grade solution. Mineral buildup often collects in elbows and valve openings, restricting flow and limiting heat transfer. We also scrub the shower screen, group head, and dispersion plate to remove oils and burnt coffee residue. If your machine has a 3-way solenoid valve, this is the perfect time to clean or replace it. Every rebuild includes replacing critical seals, the group head gasket, steam wand O-rings, boiler seals, and waterline grommets. Old rubber hardens over time, causing leaks and pressure loss. Fresh seals restore airtight performance and prevent future breakdowns. A small amount of food-safe lubricant helps everything slide into place. Now we rebuild the machine in reverse order, reinstalling the boiler, reconnecting the pump, reattaching internal hoses, and plugging in every wire according to the reference photos. We secure the panels, check for pinch cables, and verify all screws are tightened properly. The goal is to restore the machine to factory condition or better. With everything back together, we fill the tank and power on the machine. The pump should prime smoothly, and the boiler should heat without unusual noises. We'll check for leaks, test pressure, run water through the group head, activate the steam wand, and monitor temperature stability. If everything runs clean and steady, your rebuild is a success. And that's a complete teardown and rebuild of a coffee machine. The exact process technicians use to diagnose, repair, and restore a machine to perfect working order. If you want the tools, gaskets, cleaners, and products I use in every rebuild, check the description below. Thanks for watching Brew Fix, where we keep your coffee machines running and your mornings caffeinated.